absolutely love Bigfoot's music. What? Iconic. Right, judges absolutely loved the amount of smoke. Not quite enough speed for top marks, but a fantastic score for Bigfoot. 25 from the judges. That's 25.
Next up, he's about to go big like he always does. Glasgow, make some noise for your current leader, Race Ace.
View from up here at the Glasgow SSE Arena. As the smoke starts to clear, the judges said they had a bit more speed in the tyres there from Race Ace. So your new leader with 26, Race Ace!
Alex, my friend, it is already getting so smoky down here. It's eating up. And next up, it's the untamed predator with the shark tooth chop. Glasgow, give it up for Tiger Shark. Oh.
In that incredible, brilliant machine, Tiger Shark, an incredible performance there. From up here, you can see the way he painted those tyres across the floor. It got the judges excited. Your new leader with 28, it's Tiger Shark!
Yes, yes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, this next hot rod was created from mismatched parts of an auto boneyard. Please give it up for the rebellious bad boy, Right, sorry, ladies and gentlemen, we've got another mix-up in the order. My bad. Please give it up for B.A. Bomber!
Better stop.
go. Tanner Root in the V8 bomber, just about getting it locked and loaded. An admirable score from the judges. 25 is the score. Your leader is still Tiger Shark.
Still Tiger Shark, folks. It could be anybody's round, because next up, it's the Reptilian Beast. Boys and girls, are you ready? The Mega Rex!
Wow. Absolutely unbelievable. Rick Steffens, another fierce. I mean, they're all fearsome competitors, but what a performance there. The judges agree. A huge score for Mega Rex. Your winner of Donuts, it's Rick Steffens in Mega Rex!
Living up to his name, the Reptilian Beast. Alex Baker, you're up there in the stands. I know you're hiding toys all over the arena. Are you going to give away another one right now?
I certainly am, my good man. I'm just ripping the sheath off it as we speak.
So it's gonna end in
Got a monster OVO trucks, Tyrannosaurus Rex with me right here, right now. This stuff is in my back pocket. It's all happening. And behind me, what's your name, sir? Cameron. Yeah, like, I know you're not having it. I've got to give you a quiz first. We're going to do a quiz. Yeah, it seems cruel. It's cruel of me to hand it over before, but you know, someone's got to hold it. Right, DJ E, let's get a question up on the big board here, please. DJ E, give me that question. There we go. Right, here we go.